So there's a major shift happening in YouTube, and most people aren't noticing this. And you need to take advantage of this because YouTube is always changing. Like, you have all these creators telling you, do this, do this, do that. And that worked a few months ago, a few years ago. But most of that stuff doesn't work now. So you have to be constantly on the look for new trends and new ways to improve yourself. So one thing is that I've noticed is that the old ways of making revenue on YouTube is slowly dying out. So the old way, you would have a creator or an individual create a YouTube channel, then they'll upload content. By contents, I mean videos and shorts and all that. Then they would get views for that content or attention, and they would then monetize that attention or views. They would monetize it either by YouTube ads, sponsorships, or brand deals. That's the way creators used to make money on YouTube. But that's changing now because demand on content is getting higher and higher. Like, the production quality expected from a YouTuber is always getting higher. A few 6 years ago, you can basically just get a simple camera in your room and make videos, and most people wouldn't care. But now the standard is getting high. The new way of monetizing your channel or getting the best out of your channel, you have an individual create a YouTube channel, then they'll upload their content the same way as the others, then they'll get views for that content. But when monetizing, it won't only be the usual way of monetizing by YouTube ads, sponsorships, and brand deals. They'll divert that attention or views to other places. So you have their socials, could be Instagram, X, whatever. They'll direct the views or the attention they're getting through YouTube to those places. And in those places, they may have their own other brand deals there and sponsorships. So by then, they're diversifying their source of revenue away from YouTube, but getting their attention from YouTube. And the other way is through their business. So they may have a business on the side, and they'll direct the views or the attention they get by usually a call to action, like, I'm dropping this product on this so and so date. The link will be in the description for more information. Stuff like that. Basic stuff. They direct the views to their business, and those views will either be sales or clients. Sales, I mean by one-time clients, like they buy once and probably never purchase again from you. But clients, I mean like returning clients, like people who constantly be buying from you, like constantly, all that shit. So with this, you can tell that YouTubers are basically detaching themselves from the way YouTube have been. They're basically detaching themselves from the ordinary way of making money through YouTube. So they become the brands themselves. Instead of relying on YouTube ads and all that from YouTube, they diversify their attention they're getting, which leads to even bigger benefits. Like, if you get banned on YouTube, most people, if you use this model and get banned, the previous old model, if you get banned on YouTube, that's it. Your source of income is cut off. But with this, the attention you are getting and the views and everything, they know now you have other social sites. They know your businesses. You'll still be getting attention because you've been redirecting them to those places. And you're a known figure now, which makes you more of a brand, or I don't want to say icon, but I'll say icon. Yeah. So you get more recognition and you stand out, and even your value increases with this model. So I'll be dropping all this information in my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. You can also follow me on X. If you have any questions, hit me up there, or you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.